Street lights shimmer on the pavement below. Your reflection follows everywhere I go. A quiet city wrapped in shades of blue. Every little moment brings me back to you. The world keeps spinning far outside our door, but time feels different when we're wanting more. No rush, no reason, no need to pretend. I could stay here with you until the night ends. Your touch is softer than the evening breeze. You calm the chaos living inside me. Every heartbeat whispers your name. Nothing about tonight will ever be the same. Velvet nights, holding you close, wrapped in a feeling nobody knows. Your eyes shine brighter than the city lights. Everything's perfect in these velvet nights. A slow dancing underneath the moon's embrace. Memories written across your face. If forever starts with you tonight, I'll keep believing in these velvet nights. Your laughter echoes like my favorite song. Somehow beside you is where I belong. No grand promises, no need to explain. Your love falls softly like a summer rain. Coffee on the table, record spinning slow. Conversations only our hearts could know. Every little silence says enough. Without a single word, you call my bluff. When morning comes and the stars all fade, I'll remember every promise that we made. No matter where tomorrow leads us to, I'll always find my way back home to you. Velvet nights, never let go. You're the only rhythm my heart wants to know. Every dream feels so alive when I'm lost inside your eyes. Velvet nights, love burning bright, turning ordinary moments into light. As long as your hand is holding mine, every night will feel like velvet time. Stay a little longer. Let the world keep waiting. Tonight is ours. These velvet nights. Street lights shimmer on the pavement below. Your reflection follows everywhere I go. A quiet city wrapped in shades of blue. Every little moment brings me back to you. The world keeps spinning far outside our door, but time feels different when we're wanting more. No rush, no reason, no need to pretend. I could stay here with you until the night ends. Your touch is softer than the evening breeze. You calm the chaos living inside me. Every heartbeat whispers your name. Nothing about tonight will ever be the same. Velvet nights, holding you close, wrapped in a feeling nobody knows. Your eyes shine brighter than the city lights. Everything's perfect in these velvet nights. Slow dancing underneath the moon's embrace. Memories written across laughter echoes like my favorite song. Somehow beside you is where I belong. No grand promises, no need to explain. Your love falls softly like a summer rain. Coffee on the table, records spinning slow. Conversations only our hearts can know. Every little silence says enough. Without a single word you call my bluff. When morning comes and the stars all fade, I'll remember every promise that we made. No matter where tomorrow leads us to, I'll always find my way back home to you. Velvet nights never let go. You're the only rhythm my heart wants to know. Every dream feels so alive when I'm lost inside your eyes. Velvet nights, love burning bright, turning ordinary moments into light. As long as your hand is holding mine, I'll keep believing in these velvet nights. Street lights shimmer on the pavement below. Your reflection follows everywhere I go. A quiet city wrapped in shades of blue. Every little moment brings me back to you. The world keeps spinning far outside our door. The time feels different when we're wanting more. No rush, no reason, no need to pretend. I could stay here with you until the night ends. Your touch is softer than the evening breeze. You conquer chaos living inside me. Every heartbeat whispers your name. Nothing about tonight will ever be the same. Velvet nights, holding you close, wrapped in a feeling nobody knows. Your eyes shine brighter than the city lights. Everything's perfect in these velvet nights. Slow dancing underneath the moon's embrace. Memories written across your face. If forever starts with you tonight, I'll keep believing in these velvet nights. Street lights. Stay until sunrise. The city lights are fading slow, but I don't wanna let you go. Your silhouette against the room feels like a dream that's coming true. We don't need words to understand the way you reach and hold my hand. The world outside can wait tonight. You're all I see beneath these lights. Every second feels like gold. When you're here, I'm losing control. Stay until sunrise. Don't say goodbye. Let the night carry us away. Stay until sunrise, right by my side. I don't wanna miss a moment, babe. The stars can fade from the sky, but I still want you in my eyes. Stay until sunrise. Your laughter lingers in the air like a melody beyond compare. We're caught between the dark and dawn, hoping this feeling carries on. The clock keeps moving, I don't care, as long as I know you're still here, wrapped in the warmth of your embrace. There's nowhere else I'd rather stay. just for one more touch, one more thrill. No tomorrow, no regrets, just the feeling we won't forget. Stay until sunrise. Don't say goodbye. Don't say goodbye. Let the night carry us away. Stay and feel. Stay until sunrise. Right by my side. I don't wanna miss some moment, babe. The stars can fade from the sky, but I still want you in my eyes. Stay until sunrise. Stay until sunrise. Stay until sunrise.
The lights are low, the world is quiet now. Your smile says everything somehow. No need to rush, no need to speak. I find a peace I've always sought in you each week. The city's fading far away. Nothing matters but this place. Your hand in mine feels so right, like every dream has come alive tonight. Don't let this moment disappear. I've never felt a love so clear. Every heartbeat pulls us near, like the music only we can hear. We're slow dancing, hearts beneath the moon, moving like forever came too soon. Every step is written in the stars. No distance now between our hearts. Hold me close and don't let go. Love is all we'll ever know. When the world fades into the dark, we're just two slow dancing hearts. Every laugh becomes a melody. Every glance is a memory. Time stands still inside your eyes, where every fear and worry says goodbye. The night can last 1,000 years, as long as you are standing here. Nothing else could ever compare to finding all I've needed in your care. Every whisper feels so true. Every road keeps leading to you, like a dream that finally starts. You've awakened all the quiet parts. We're slow dancing, hearts beneath the moon, moving like forever came too soon. Every step is written in the stars. No distance now between our hearts. Hold me close and don't let go. Love is all we'll ever know. When the world fades into the dark, we're just two slow dancing hearts. If tomorrow never came, still remember your name. Every beat, every embrace, forever lives inside this place. We'll keep turning with the night, wrapped together in the light. We're slow dancing, hearts beneath the moon, holding on to every perfect tune. Every promise shining from above. Every breath is filled with love. stars will always be slow dancing hearts.
Your favorite hello. You walked in like a melody, soft and slow. Changed the rhythm, only lonely people know. Didn't need forever written in the sky. Just one smile was enough to catch my eye. Every little laugh became my favorite song. Somehow with you, every moment felt like home. Time stood still whenever you were close to me. Like the world forgot to rush for one heartbeat. I don't need the stars to spell it out tonight. Everything I need is shining in your eyes. You're my favorite hello, the reason my heart won't let go. Every goodbye fades away when you're the first part of my day. No matter where this road may go, you're the only love I wanna know. Every moment feels brand new. My favorite hello is always you. Coffee on the table, sunlight through the blinds. Simple little memories replay inside my mind. Holding on to moments no one else can see. The quiet kind of love that sets a spirit free. When the world gets heavy, when the lights grow dim, your voice reminds me where my hope begins. Every little promise wrapped inside your touch shows me that forever doesn't ask for much. Even on the hardest days we make it through. Love keeps writing chapters only we can do. You're my favorite hello, the reason my heart won't let go. Every goodbye fades away when you're the first part of my day. No matter where this road may go, you're the only love I wanna know. Every moment feels brand new. My favorite hello is always you. If tomorrow brings another chance to start, I'll choose you with the same open heart. Every sunrise has your name inside its glow, because loving you is all I've ever known. You're my favorite hello, the dream I never have to let go. Freedom all starts with you, painting every sky a brighter blue. Through every season, high and low, you're the only place my heart will go. If love is one perfect view, my favorite hello will always be you. Always you. Always new. My favorite hello will always be you. The city's quiet, fading into blue. Every little moment leads me back to you. Street lights shimmer like a silver sea, and tonight your love feels like it's rescuing me. Your hand in mine, the world slows down. No need for diamonds, no need for a crown. Every heartbeat finds its place, lost forever in your embrace. No rush, no fear when you're standing here. Every second feels like bliss, wrapped inside a moonlight chasing moonlight kisses. Your laughter dances through the air like a melody that's always there. The night keeps singing our favorite tune while our shadows sway beneath the moon. Every promise in your eyes feels more real than morning skies. Nothing else could ever compare to the kind of love we're breathing here. No words to say, you take my breath away. Every heartbeat leads to this, another sweet moonlight kisses on your lips. Love like this is hard to miss. Stars above are shining bright, holding us through the longest night. Every touch feels heaven sent, every moment perfectly spent. If forever starts like this, I'll keep chasing moonlight kisses. When the sunrise paints the sky, I won't need to say goodbye. You're the rhythm in my soul, the missing piece that makes me whole. Even when the daylight comes, love keeps beating like a drum. Every night I'll make this wish to find my way back to your moonlight kisses on your lips. You're my favorite eclipse. Every dream begins with you. Every morning feels brand new. Through every season we'll remain, dancing softly through the rain. If forever starts like this, I live for your moonlight kisses. Just you and me beneath the sky, where every star watches us shine. One more kiss before the morning light, and everything feels right.
The room gets quiet when you walk my way. Every little smile takes my breath away. No need to rush, no need to pretend. With you beside me, I don't want this to end. The city lights fade into the night, but your eyes shine brighter than every light. Every heartbeat finds a softer tune, like the world keeps spinning just for me and you. No countdown, no race to run. Forever starts with just this one. Every second feels brand new. Every moment leads to you. Love in slow motion, don't let go. Take your time, let the feeling flow. Every heartbeat, every touch, I've never wanted someone this much. Love in slow motion, hand in hand, like we're dancing where the stars all land. If forever has a perfect view, I'd spend every single frame with you. Morning coffee, midnight drives, it's the little things that make us come alive. Laughing loud at the smallest jokes, finding forever in the words we spoke. No grand stage, no flashing lights, just quiet dreams and endless nights. Every memory we're making now feels like forever somehow. And the world keeps moving way too fast. Promise me we'll make these moments last. One heartbeat, one kiss, one embrace. I'll always find my home in your place. Love in slow motion, don't let Every chapter only helps us grow, side by side through every season. You're my heart and every reason. Love in slow motion, clear and true. Every dream keeps leading back to you. If time could stop, I'd choose this view, living every moment here with you. No need to hurry, no need to hurry, no need to run. Our forever has just begun. Love in slow motion, soft and true. Every beat keeps bringing me to you.
I've been counting all the moments since the day you looked my way. Now every little conversation makes the noise all fade away. There's a rhythm in your laughter, like a melody I know. Every heartbeat pulls me nearer, more than words could ever show. No need to rush this feeling, we'll let the night unfold. Every second with you feels warmer than gold. We're getting closer than before, a little more with every touch, finding everything we need without saying too much. No more distance, no more doubt. You're the one I'm dreaming of. We're getting closer than before, falling deeper into love. City lights are softly glowing while we're dancing through the night. Every smile you give reminds me everything is feeling right. When your hand is wrapped around mine, time forgets to move ahead. All the words I couldn't tell you find a home instead. No need to chase tomorrow, tonight is all we need. Every little moment feels like destiny. We're getting closer than before, a little more with every touch, finding everything we need without saying too much. No more distance, no more doubt. You're the one I'm dreaming of. We're getting closer than before, falling deeper into love. Even if the world keeps turning fast, we'll make forever out of what we have. Every promise shining in your eyes feels like sunrise after endless nights. We're getting closer than before. Every heartbeat says it's true. Every road has led me here, right beside you. No more wondering where we'll go. Love has opened every door. We'll keep writing our story closer than before. Closer every heartbeat, closer every day. If forever starts somewhere, it starts this way. fades into the night. Your hand finds mine, it feels so right. No need for words, your eyes explain. You calm every fear, erase every pain. The world can spin outside our door. When I'm with you, I need nothing more. Every heartbeat keeps perfect time, like your soul was always meant for mine. We don't have to chase tomorrow, this moment's all we need. Every breath, every whisper is writing our destiny softly into forever. You and I together, every dream feels so alive when you're standing by my side. No rush, no storm, me weather, we'll find our way together. Every promise shines anew, softly into forever with you. Moonlight resting on your face, time slows down inside this place. Every laugh becomes a song. With your love is where I belong. Even the silence feels complete. Every heartbeat skips a beat, holding on without a fear, knowing you'll be here. If the stars should lose their light, I'd still find you every night. Every road will lead me home, as long as we're never alone. No ending written in the sky, just endless moments passing by. One heartbeat after another, growing closer to each other. Softly into forever, you and I together. Every dream feels so alive when you're standing by my side. No rush, no storm, me weather, we'll find our way together. Every promise shines anew, softly into forever with you. Softly into forever. One heartbeat, one love, forever starts with you. The world slows down when you walk in the room, like the stars found a place to bloom. Your laugh turns gray skies into blue. Every little moment feels brand new. You don't even know the spell you cast, making ordinary moments last. When you look my way, I lose my place. Can't help falling for your grace. You light up every corner of my mind, a feeling that's impossible to hide. Every time you smile, my heart stays for a while, like the sun breaking through the rain. You take away the pain. Every time you smile, you make this life worthwhile. If forever starts tonight, I just wanna hold raindrops and lazy Sunday skies. I could spend forever in your eyes. No need for diamonds, no need for gold. Your love is worth more than I ever hold. You're the melody inside my soul, the missing piece that makes me whole. Every little touch, every little glance feels like another chance at romance. You make forever feel so close to me, exactly where I've always dreamed I'd be. Every time you smile, my heart stays for a while, like the sun breaking through the rain. You take away the pain. Every time you smile, you make this life worthwhile. If forever starts tonight, I just wanna hold you tight. Every time you smile, when the lights go low, there's nowhere else I'd rather go. Every beat keeps calling out your name, and nothing ever feels the same. If tomorrow never comes too soon, I'd still be dancing with you beneath the moon. One look is all it takes to see. You're everything I'll ever need. Every time you smile, my heart runs another mile. You're the dream I've waited for, the one I'm always reaching toward. Every time you smile, you make forever worthwhile. No matter where this road may lead, you're the only love I need. Every time you smile, every time you smile, feels like coming home. Two a.m. and my phone lights up again. Your name on the screen like a familiar friend. I know we said we leave the past behind, but your voice still knows how to find my mind. City sleeping but we're wide awake, talking about the chances we didn't take. You say you miss the way we used to be. I say some memories never really leave. We don't need a reason, we don't need a plan, just a little honesty between two hands. Even when the world goes quiet and cold, you're the story I still hold. After midnight calls, when the lights go low, when you need somebody that you used to know, I'll be right here, even miles away, listening to the words you're afraid to say. After midnight calls, secrets in the dark, two lost souls still searching for a spark. Maybe we're broken, maybe we're scarred, but somehow you still feel like home in my heart. Remember those nights driving nowhere fast, laughing like we make the moment last. Your head on my shoulder, music playing slow. Those little moments were all we needed to know. Time moved on and life changed our ways, but some connections never fade away. Every goodbye left a little trace of your smile, your touch, your embrace. Baby, we're different than we were before. Maybe we've both been through a little more, but when your voice comes through the line, it feels like I'm back in another time. After midnight calls, when the lights go low, when you meet somebody that you used to know, I'll be right here, even miles away, listening to the words you're afraid to say. After midnight calls, secrets in the dark, two lost souls still searching for a spark. Maybe still feel like home in my heart. If tomorrow comes and we go our separate ways, I'll still remember these late night days. Because some people come and some people pass, but some hearts leave a mark that lasts. After midnight calls, when the world disappears, when you're fighting your battles and drowning in tears, I'll remind you that you're never alone. Even through the silence, you're still my home.